This article is coming from CoinDesk. Shiba Inu token falls 10% amid Shibarium code drama. So Shiba Inu fell 10% last 24 hours amid drama surrounding the code base of the upcoming Shibarium blockchain. The much awaited Shibarium blockchain released its beta version for the Layer 2 network last week. Layer 2 referred to a set of off-chain systems built on top of Layer 1 protocols that reduce bottlenecks. However, the euphoria surrounding the launch paused on Thursday morning after the top-ranked community member on Shiba Inu's Discord channel flagged concerns. The concerns came from Shibarium's beta testnet using the same chain ID as an existing blockchain. Discord and other prominent members from the community were quick to address the concerns. There's absolutely no evidence that this is a fork of a chain that launched last month, says Jesse M. Code is forked all the time. Meanwhile, there is no confirmation that it was. Justin Lime, another network validator, chimed in. Even if some of the code was used in the beta, does not mean all of it was. To me, it's very doubtful that a direct fork with nothing changed. Forking and building upon already established software is a core foundation of free and open source software. So let's just go to the charts. We see from the article Shiba Inu ecosystem token Bone and Leash were also down 10%. We're going to focus on Shiba Inu, so I'm just going to go straight to the monthly chart just to show you that I have a short-term target at the bunch of zeros 1805. Alright, let's go down to the weekly, and we can see that price did bounce off of the weekly buyer zone at a bunch of zeros 720. And that bounce has worked the second time. The first time was back in June of 2022 due to this explosive move higher, which was the origin of the zone being created back in September of 2021. Now you can see on the weekly chart that price did breach the short-term uptrend back in February, late February. So let's go down to the daily, but before we do that, we can see that we have, for 2 consecutive weeks, we have indecision. So price is currently in a range. So potentially it's going to break out either to the downside or the upside. I don't know. But I see something on the weekly chart that we're going to see on the daily chart. I see what appears to be a short-term downtrend line being respected on the daily chart, or you can say the weekly chart as well. If we go to the daily chart, it's a bit more pronounced. We had a recent high back in February the 4th. And if I draw this short-term trend line on the daily chart, we can see price is respecting the short-term downtrend line. So where's price headed next? Well, if price continues to respect the short-term downtrend line, we could see price retest the weekly buyer zone. And the reason I say retest is because if I draw a line at the lowest level where price penetrated the zone, there are more buy orders in the lower half of this zone. So I can see price pulling back to get those orders before moving higher. However, let's just go back to the daily chart. Another scenario that can happen is price breaches the short-term downtrend line, retraces where now the short-term downtrend line serves as support, and at least retest this short-term uptrend line before eventually hitting the short-term target at the bunch of zeros 1805. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and please like the video.